Hi guys, today we are going to make a basic Tarka, which is the foundation of making any Indian dish. First, heat the pan on a medium heat, add 3 tablespoons of oil. When the pan is hot, add half teaspoon of Jeera to the pan. This is also known as Cumin seed. Keep stirring over a medium heat. You should be able to hear popping and sizzling noises, as this is the seed releasing its flavor. Now we can add the chopped onion. Cook it on medium heat. Keep stirring until the golden brown. It will take about 10 to 15 minutes. Now we are adding 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 chopped tomato. Keep stirring on low heat, and half a teaspoon of chopped grinded chili. Cook it over on low heat 5 minutes. Now we can add 1 teaspoon of Haldi, known as a turmeric. Keep stirring, cook for half minute on low heat. Nicely cooked. That's it, that's your Tarka is done.